This is a short tutorial on how to use the Panama website. Let's go to the browser and type in the web address sadhuvaswanipanama.org. Or you can use svcpanama.org, which will take you to the same web page. Once on the main page, you can click on the selected audio link. On the main page, you have the options and direct links to listen to the audio on any of these popular streaming services: Spotify, Apple Music, Amazon Music, or YouTube Music. Below that, we have all the CDs in chronological order. Let's pick a random CD to listen to. This page will work on a mobile phone or a computer. You can click on any track to play that song. On the main page, you can also search for any song or album. Let's check out what all these icons on top do. This one is for all the CDs. This icon is for all the Kirtans. Next icon is for all the cassettes. Next icon is for the meditations. Next is the song lyrics icon. Let's search for a song. These are the lyrics to that song. These are the slides, we'll come to that later. And this is the CD. Click on this to go to the audio player. Let's go back. This is the title. These are the singers for that particular track, the lyrics, the slides, and the translation in English, if available. You can also click on the name of the singer to check out all the other songs sung by that particular singer. The next icon is the database. This page has a lot of other options which you can explore at your leisure. But suppose you don't know the exact spelling of the title of a particular song, you can list the songs in alphabetical order. These are all the songs which have English translations. Here you can download all the bhajan lyric slides in a zip file. Here you will find harmonium notes for some selected songs. Click on the harmonium icon to download the PDF file. Next we have the Noori Granth and Anjali Sangraha. You can click on the English icon to read the translation in English. You can also get a Vachan by clicking on the green Vachan icon, which will pick a random page from the Noori Granth. You can also ingress the page number of the Noori Granth directly and translate it into English. Same options are available for the Noori Granth in Hindi and Noori Granth in English.